Which pearls can you safely put over a white base coat and which ones should you avoid? If you don't already know the answer to that question, this video is going to be perfect for you. So we have hundreds of different pearl colors here at DipYourCar.com, and we get emails and questions all the time from people who want to take different color pearl powders and put them over a white base because they think it's going to look great. Now, we've always said the safest thing to do if you want to put a pearl over a white base is to lean towards interference pearls, because almost always that works out really well. But today we're going to cover the whole spectrum. I've got 7 different pearls here, and it goes from pearls that we know are going to work really well over white to some that might be a little bit risky to some that should be a complete disaster. And we're going to show you exactly how to manage this for all of your future projects. So, for example, we've got balloon white pearl, and we know that this one should work extremely well over a white base. Then we've got interference purple. Again, another one that should be very safe and very easy to use over white. Then we've got an interference hypershift here, ZGN hypershift. This should also play really well over a white base and give some really cool effects. And this is where things start getting a little bit more dangerous. Here's HKS purple. So this is a colored mica pearl. It's still a little bit translucent, so it shouldn't be a total disaster, but this should be pretty challenging to use over white. Then we've got ZTM hypershift, a color powder hypershift. This is going to be really challenging to get nice and even over white. And then we've got carbon orange, which is a non-translucent pearl. This is an aluminum powder pearl that you can't see through at all. This should look pretty terrible over white. And then you get zombie midnight shift, which is a midnight flip pearl, very dark, a lot of black pearl in here, and it should just be a total failure over white. Now, technically, you could put 1,000 coats of anything over white and eventually get full coverage. So what we're going to do here is not at the end of the video tell you ones that do work and don't work, but try to guide you towards ones that are really user-friendly and do great versus ones you should totally avoid.
And then I think when it gets to the interference style pearls, you don't want to go with too much because then you start blocking that white, that true white base a little bit.
And especially when you're not using an interference hypershift, you can start getting really heavy pastel colors. It could start yellowing out. So we're going to walk you through the whole thing. We've got lots to learn today. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment. Now, the purpose of this video was to try to give you a guideline on which categories of pearls should go over a white base coat and which ones you should avoid. Now, each one of the samples you're gonna see got 4 coats of pearl, and you're gonna see very quickly that some of them work really well over a white base, and some of them, if you tried them on a large surface area, especially a full vehicle, you would be in for a long, frustrating day. So take a look at each one, leave a comment below, and let us know your opinion. And if you want to play with any of our paints, we've got tons of colors, peelable, permanent. It's all in one place for you at DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something. I'll see you on the next one.